It's me, KingHuman. Check this out. By the end of this video, you're gonna learn how you can beat slots pretty much on demand. No joke, this is something that a lot of other guys don't know. Even slot programmers will not tell you this because they don't believe in it. But I'm here to clue you in. I'm gonna show you a clip right now, and then I wanna come back and I wanna set you up. Check this out. Booyakasha. All right, so what is this about? Well, you're probably here because you've seen several of the videos of me hacking slot machines and winning money on a consistent basis. Now, when I say hacking, there's nothing illegal going on here. I just know the tells, the signals to look for on certain machines that signal that they're ready to pay out. I will give you the hacks. I will give you what you need to know so that you can walk into a casino and feel fairly confident that you're going to walk out with more money than you walked in with. Once you learn this, you start seeing casinos in a different light. I look at a casino now and I'm thinking my personal ATM, and I'm going to have fun. So that's what's going on here. If that interests you, join. Now, that was just a little clip from my Patreon group, which is called hacktheslots.com. Go there, sign up, get free access, learn what this is about. The tutorials I have in there will teach you what you need to know to beat slots. What's going on is the new slot machines have tells. Not all of them, a lot of the new slot machines have a tell that will actually signal to you when they're getting ready to go into feature payout or bonus mode. And you can make money if you only play machines that give you these tell signals that tell you that they're ripe, rather than being just an average chucklehead tourist that goes up to a random machine and just starts playing it. You'll never win that way. So here's what's doing. I know I'm going to get a lot of people saying, you can't win at slots. It's a random number generator. There's no way to beat that. I can relate to your thinking. It's the way I used to think myself until I learned what I know now. It's taken me years to learn this, and I've proven it over and over and over again. I know how much money I make doing this because every time I play, I use my player's card in the machine. And at the end of a session, at the end of a month, at the end of a year, whatever, I can go on to the website of that casino and I can see my P&L statement, my profit and loss statement. And it divides it into table games and slot machines. Now, when I look at slot machines, it's called coin in and coin out. So you look at the amount of coin in, meaning the amount of money you put in a machine versus the amount of money you took out of the machines. And again, it could be over any period of time you want. My coin out is always higher than my coin in. Always. And this has been going on for a couple of years now. So I'm not just blowing sunshine up your skirt when I tell you I know how to beat slots and I can teach you. But yes, I do gatekeep this because it's valuable information. So again, go to hacktheslots.com, and here's the deal I'm going to make. Those of you that join and go through the tutorials and you say, this doesn't work, it can't work, just hit me up. Send me an email saying this can't work, tell me why it can't work, and I'll gladly send you your money back. Prove to me that it doesn't work. Not only will I send you your money back, but I'll send you a fashion watch on top of it. I'm not wearing mine right now, but I'll send you a fashion watch as a bonus for your trouble. So there it is. I can't make it any more fair than that. Now here's the other part. The guys that are members of my website are free to hook up with me every month when I go to Vegas. I buy them dinner. I give them prizes. I take them around and I show them the machines. I give them personal instruction. And this summer, when I moved back to Vegas in my high rise, I don't know if you guys ever saw that, but I lived in the Veer Towers, which is right next door to the Aria. We have pool parties and barbecues during the evening, and then we have and jacuzzi parties and all that, entertainment, all that, right? All on me. And then after that, after we eat our barbecue and have fun, then we just walk next door to the Aria, the Cosmopolitan, and we hack some slots. Check it out. Do it. Don't do it. It's up to you. Again, hacktheslots.com, Booyakasha. Call me a liar. I dare ya. But only do it after you watch all my tutorials on the Patreon group. You chucklehead, you. All right. Cheers.